Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
In today's video, I want to explain how to use alligator pepper, 7 seeds of alligator pepper, to capture or to punish anyone behind our bad dream. Yes, someone can create a dream to affect your life. Are you with me? With salt and fungal feather, they can use it to create a dream in order to get something from you. You understand? Some are sending bad dream in order to get something from you that will affect you physically. Are you with me? So today I want to quickly share with you how you can use 7 seeds of alligator pepper to capture anyone behind the problem. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baba Wenje. And if today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on 07037422552. You message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So in today's video, I want to teach you how to use 7 seeds of alligator pepper to capture anyone that send attack or spiritual or a monitoring spirit that force you to have a bad dream, because a good dream is from God while a bad dream is from devil. If you don't believe it, I can create a bad dream for you. If you want me to teach you, I'm not going to do that. Are you with me? Because you know, this world, this life, we need to be careful. We need to be careful. So now, if you want to do this, you need 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Put it in a white nylon, tie it, and you bury it under the ground. Do not bury it in your flower pots under the ground for 3 days. 24 hours make 1 day. If you do it today, you are not going to count today. Today is Saturday, right? You started counting it from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So on Tuesday, you are going to remove it. So you can keep it, you understand, you can keep it. Like if you always have a dream that repeats itself. Maybe if you want to, just imagine someone promised to give you something tomorrow and you have a dream today that you're having sex with your partner. And when you get to there, they deny you. Or whenever you have that kind of such a dream, you always have a bad luck and so on. So just imagine, that someone is monitoring your life. You understand? So After that 3 days, if you want to use it, place this nylon together with the alligator pepper under your pillow. You sleep. If you wake up, you have a bad dream in the morning, you must place it at night. In the morning when you wake up, just untie the nylon and you eat. You say, or you put the alligator pepper in your hand, say your intention, expose them, ask God to allow you to capture them. You understand? Then eat the alligator pepper. You understand? Within that 7 days, within 7 days, God will expose them by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. Please, if you have any question to ask me, don't forget to drop your comments, and please don't forget to like and comment. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Thank you very much.
Lọ́la kún báyà kún ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lómi dábọ̀ sóhun mi ló jẹ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa.